Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we will make crispy spiced banana chips, perfect snack or flavorful side dish. First, take some fresh raw bananas, cut them into pieces and do wash. In a mixing bowl, add gram flour, add ginger garlic paste, add turmeric powder, add garam masala powder, add chili powder and a little salt for seasoning. Add a little water and mix everything well to create a thick paste like this. Put the banana pieces into the bowl and gently mix to coat them evenly with the paste. These crispy spiced banana chips make for a tempting and flavorful snack, perfect for pairing with meals or munching. Heat oil in a pan and put the coated banana pieces in the hot oil one by one. Deep fry the bananas on medium heat, flipping them occasionally. Cook until both sides are golden brown. These crispy spiced banana chips make for a tempting and flavorful snack, perfect for pairing with meals or munching. Cook until both sides are golden brown. Once done, remove the crispy banana chips to a plate. Serve these crispy, flavorful banana chips as a snack or a side dish. Serve hot. Ingredients list is in description. Try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.